Meaning of kook.
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 Kook. Kook is a slang term that can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In some cases, it is used to refer to someone who is perceived as strange or eccentric. In surfing culture, it can refer to someone who is inexperienced or unskilled at surfing, or someone who is not following proper etiquette in the water. In some extreme cases, it can also be used as a derogatory term for someone who has mental health issues. However, I must note that using derogatory language towards others is not respectful or appropriate.